Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to say a little about schooling. This one like that is schooling. Uh, kind of like that. I will show you. Garbanzo is called like that. This plant, garbanzo is calling. Garbanzo is calling this one or this one. Picture in here. I will show you this one. Garbanzo bean is calling. Medical curing. Bird disease like that. Bird disease. But this is kind of like that, brown and kind of like that, or something like problem this one, but this is kind of like that, or like but this is kind of like that, but this is called similar like that. They have coding too like that. It's called but this is when how to using garbage on is you have to put in on the water night. You have to put in garbage, put in on the water, night sleeping, morning, when you have wake up, drink this water from like garbage. Water all night they have sleep with them, put in under like garbage. You have to drink it too. Then after that, you can wash into your body like that. This one is called like that. Garbindon, scientific name. What the name is called in scientific name? Scientist name carbindon. Carbindon scientific name is why they call it carbindon. Carbindon Cicer. This one like a scientific Cicer arietinum. Scientific already they have put in Cicer. Cicer chickpea lugum family of fungi. Forbidia, different type of virus are now gram, bangal, gram, garbanzo bean, as well as Egyptian pea, seed to high protein, Caesar arietinum. So like that, mash it, combine it to onion, bread, combine egg, help, fried, and so what they have like it, while a high level depend your calorie need. So many things they have like that. Vitamin D like that. Protein, carbohydrate, sodium, potassium, chlorine. So many like that. This one calorie 364 like that gram they have it. 65. So kind of like that. Name scientific name. Scientific name Gimbazo is kind of Caesar Artemian. Let's call it like that. So they have called so many medications. Gimbazo scientific name I will show you. Garbanzo medicine medication I will show you. If you have scientific already they have put in I never know, but I will check in for you. Half cup of garbage being provided with 1 calorie will also get a gram of carbohydrate. Your body prefers source of fuel and a gram of muscle building. Protein with gram of fiber per serving garbanzo bean. Excellent source of dietary fiber. Also packing magnesium, potassium, iron like that. So you see like that carbon being beneficial. You can see like that carbon. Garbanzo bean is called like that. So kind of like that. So I changing everything is like that. Thank you for watching. My name is Abdella from Canada.